Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to really quickly show you how your customers or clients that have subscribed to one of your, let's say, services or products or whatever that has a recurring payment, a subscription model, right? How they can update their payment method or kind of like the card that's connected to it. And you send them a special link and they can just put in their information. They can update it this way. So just to show you what it actually looks like instead of me talking, it's under payments, subscriptions. Here you see all the subscriptions you have, right? So let's say this person just reached out, said, hey, I either the payment fell through or they just know that they have a new card and it's like, hey, I still want you to charge me for this service or for this subscription, but I have a new card now. What do I do? So you find their subscription, and over here with the three dots, you click on Share Payment Update Link. So you have two options. You can just, if it's like a text message or LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, you can just copy the link and send it to them, right? And then once they open it, they can just put in their credit card information, or you can send them an email. Here it says what email will it be sent to? It's that same person. So let's just, for this one, let's just say send email. Let's just click on it, see what happens. Link sent successfully. So I'm going to go and check out my email inbox and see whether it showed up. Yep, came right in right away. So what you need to do is click on over here on the link. And here it says, yeah, same type of subscription. Put in your credit card information. This is my new credit card. Let's put it in. And then it will be valid for the next time you get charged, right? You're not going to get charged right away for the $100 unless your card has expired, unless you have like a failed payment and you're due. But if you're not due a payment, let's say for 2 more weeks, it's not going to charge you now. It's just going to, we're just going to have the new information and then it will charge you whenever it needs to charge you. There's no extra charge for this. That's basically what I'm trying to say. But yeah, fill in the information, click update, pretty simple. So 2 ways of sending it, right? Either send the link or just click on send email and they just receive it. You don't even need to copy paste the link. Also, obviously, as you can see here, you can deactivate the shared links. Again, 1 click as well. Maybe it was a mistake or whatever. And keep in mind that this link, it's a one-time link. They can update once. And it also works for 30 days, if I remember correctly. The sooner, the better they fill it out. But 30 days, which is still a lot. Yeah, that's just so you know that it's not forever. And yeah. That's about it for this one. If you have any questions, click on here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. As always, nothing has changed. And yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.